Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to check weather in mobile device. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. To check weather in mobile device, the applications regarding the weather is given on the mobile phone. You can open your application related to the weather. As you can see here, I am using Redmi mobile phone and I have weather application. So tap on your weather application. Then here you can see the details regarding the weather in the place you are living. Or you can also tap on the location at the top. With that you can enter the location and see the weather of the place that you want to look for. The another way to look for weather is by downloading the third-party applications. Go to your Play Store and type weather app on the search bar. Here you can see various of applications related with the weather. You can install the weather application and you can use it to check the weather in the mobile device. The another simple method is you can go to your Google and then go to your search bar. Then enter the place or the location in which you want to see your weather. Then type weather at the site. I am typing New York weather. With that, here you can see the weather results of New York. You can see the overview, precipitations, wind and humidity of the place that you have just searched. This is how we can check weather in mobile device. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.